Hello everyone, today I will show you how to split certain pages in half using PDF XChange Editor. Open your PDF file and select page or organize option, and here you will find this split option. Now select split pages option, and I'll remove this split. And first I select page. I'll split first 3 pages. Type comma, and first 3 pages I split horizontal and simply select OK, and see this first 3 pages now split it. Okay, now I will split vertically. I remove this split, apply vertical split 4 to 6 and add vertical split or 6 to 8. I select OK, and see this page is split. In this way you can split vertically and horizontally specific pages as you want, and see this. Yeah, and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.